Hey everyone, I am Nibha and I have started my journey of English learning. And in previous video, I am talking about disagree politely without sounding rude and blunt. And in today's video, I am going to take some examples of agree with yes or I agree. And if you practice all these sentences, and you have to also use these sentences in daily life, and then you are going to improve yourself. And let's go to the topic, and the topic is agreeing naturally goes beyond just yes or I agree. Just yes or I agree, we have to just say the yes and I agree. First example is exactly, that's what I was thinking. Exactly, that's what I was thinking. That means कोई कुछ बोलता है और हम लोग वही सोच रहे होते हैं, तो तब हम लोग बोलते हैं exactly, that's what I was thinking. And second number is 100%, you nailed it. 100% you nailed it. That means हम लोग किसी को बोलते हैं वाह तुमने कमाल कर दिया, you 100% nailed it. 100% you nailed it. We can say the teacher was 100% nailed it. We can say the teacher was 100% nailed it, that politician. And third number is you took the words right out of my mouth. You took the words right out of my mouth. When we want to say anything and another person says same thing, then we have to say this. You took the words right out of my mouth. मैं यही कहने ही वाला था और तुमने बोल दिया. Then we have to say you took the words right out of my mouth. And fourth example is I could not agree more. I could not agree more. I could not agree more that project because this is not profitable anymore. And fifth example is that's make total sense. That's make total sense. You said everything good. You make that person make his mouth shut. That's make total sense. That makes total sense. And the last is you have got a point there. You have got a point there. I hope you all are like these videos, and if you want to join with my journey, please connect with me and let's learn English together. Thank you so much.